The results of the 2025 federal elections in Canada have been announced. These election results not only demonstrate the changing political direction of Canada, but also signal changes in the India-Canada relations. Recently, Mark Carney, who had previously served as the governor of the Bank of Canada, has unexpectedly won the election as the leader of the Liberal Party. This victory has once again ignited debates in international circles about the future of India-Canada relations. Will the change in power in Canada attempt to resolve the tensions between India and Canada? Will the new government attempt to control the rapidly emerging Khalistani movement in Canada? In today's episode, we will try to find answers to some of these questions. With Mark Carney's electoral victory, a new dawn has emerged in Canadian politics. With 169 seats in the 343-member House of Commons, the Liberal Party has established its dominance in the Parliament. Although this is slightly short of a full majority, it has become a topic of discussion in both Indian and international politics. Some analysts view this victory as a symbol of national unity in response to rising American pressure, especially trade disputes and the sovereignty crisis. This change in Canadian politics holds significant relevance for India, as it not only signals the possibility of a fresh start in bilateral relations, but also indicates the safeguarding of Indian interests. It is noteworthy that during the previous government, led by Justin Trudeau, India-Canada relations were particularly affected. Before Mark Carney became Prime Minister, relations between India and Canada had soured under Justin Trudeau's leadership. In fact, following the 2023 murder of Sikh leader Hardeep Singh Nijjar, Canada accused India of being involved in the assassination. India strongly opposed these accusations and called them baseless. This controversy led to deep diplomatic tensions between the two countries. During this time, the growing influence of the Khalistan movement in Canada also became a major issue. It is important to note that the Khalistan movement, which demands an independent Sikh state, has become a highly sensitive issue in Canada. With a large Sikh diaspora in Canada, the community remains very active in advocating for its cultural and political identity. Many pro-Khalistan supporters are based in Canada and openly support the movement. This issue has never allowed for smooth relations between Canada and India. The growing influence of Khalistani movements in Canada and India's designation of these activities as terrorist activities has led to increased tensions between the two countries. India has repeatedly urged Canada to take strict action against these pro-Khalistan elements. But due to Canada's emphasis on democracy and human rights, the government has attempted to avoid any harsh action on this issue. This has led to concerns in India that Canada, under pressure from its Sikh population, could stand against India. Moreover, India has accused Canada of encouraging pro-Khalistan elements which pose a threat to India's national security. With Mark Carney becoming Prime Minister, there is now hope for an improvement in India-Canada relations. In his first comment on India, Carney stated that the relationship between India and Canada is extremely important from personal, economic, and strategic perspectives. He also made it clear that his aim is to move past old disputes and begin a new phase where relations between the two countries can be developed with mutual understanding and respect. He mentioned that there are many opportunities for trade, education, defense, and cultural exchange between the two countries that can be utilized. It should be noted that India-Canada trade relations have been continuously growing, and under Carney's leadership, this could increase further. Partnerships between Indian software companies and Canadian tech firms could benefit both countries' economy. Additionally, Canada can become an important energy partner for India, particularly in the areas of oil and gas. Moreover, from a political perspective, there is also a possibility of increased cooperation between the two countries. Both India and Canada have been advocates of democracy, human rights, and unity against terrorism on international platforms. Under Carney's leadership, this cooperation could grow, as he has expressed a desire to take a strong and coordinated approach to global issues. Carney will also face the challenge of adopting a balanced approach on sensitive issues like Khalistan. He will need to ensure that the rights of Canada's Sikh community are protected while also addressing India's security concerns. However, it remains to be seen whether Carney's premiership will bring any change in Canada's stance on pro-Khalistan movements. In conclusion, there is speculation that Mark Carney's election victory will bring a new shift in Canada's politics. Under his leadership, India and Canada's relationship could move towards a new dimension. However, adopting a balanced approach on issues like the Khalistan movement and other sensitive matters will be a major challenge for him. If he addresses these issues in the right direction, the relationship between Canada and India could become even stronger. So viewers, let's wrap up the discussion here and note today's question. What impact will the recent results of the Canadian elections have on India-Canada bilateral relations?
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.